Video. In this video, I am going to explain the experiment series and parallel resonance, which comes under engineering physics lab prescribed by VTU. So now let us go to the contents of this video. So aim of the experiment is to determine the frequency resonance of series and parallel resonance circuits, and hence we have to determine the value of inductance connected in the circuit. So inductor is connected, so its value of inductance will be calculated, and also we have to determine the bandwidth and also quality factor in series resonance circuit. So here the apparatus required is audio frequency oscillator, AC millimeter, inductance coil, standard resistor and capacitor. So in series resonance circuit, we are going to connect inductor, capacitor and resistor in series, and in this circuit a millimeter is connected in order to record the current in the circuit, and from a radio frequency oscillator we are going to supply the input frequency, and for different input frequency we are going to record the current in the circuit. And here, as we increase the frequency, the current in the circuit keep on increases, and for a particular value of frequency known as resonance frequency, the current in the circuit is observed to be maximum, known as Imax, and we have to calculate Imax by root 2, and in the graph locate that value on y-axis, and from that point draw a line parallel to x-axis, so it will cut the curve at 2 points. So corresponding F1 and F2 values were all recorded, and the Fr value is nothing but resonance frequency for which the current is observed to be maximum. So this is what about series resonance circuit. And parallel resonance circuit, here capacitor is connected parallel to L and R, and as we increase the input frequency, current in the circuit is observed to be large in the beginning and it keep on decreases, and for a particular value of frequency Fr, the current in the circuit is observed to be small or minimum, and further increase of frequency, the value of current in the circuit keep on increases. So the graph plotted is as shown in the picture. So first it will be maximum decreases, and for a particular value of frequency known as resonance frequency Fr, current is minimum, and further increase in frequency, the current value keep on increases. So this is what about the experiment. And when we look at the procedural part, so this is what the procedure that we have to follow. So here L, C are all connected in series, and current in the circuit is recorded, and for different input frequencies the current is recorded and tabulated in the tablet column. So as I told, current is observed to be minimum in the beginning and keep on increases and reaches maximum value and then again decreases. In case of parallel circuit, current in the beginning is large and it keep on decreases and reaches minimum value for a resonance frequency Fr, and again it will increases. So this is what about the procedural part of this experiment, and here we have to plot a graph of current versus frequency in both the cases. And this is a formula for calculating inductance L given by 1 by 4 pi square Fr square C, where Fr is resonance frequency, C is the capacity of the capacitor. And quality factor Q is given by Fr by delta F, where Fr is resonance frequency, delta F is considered as bandwidth given by F2 minus F1. That will be evaluated from the graph, and theoretically we can able to calculate quality factor Q given by 1 by R into square root of L by C, where R is the resistance connected in the circuit, L is the inductor calculated, that is inductance value calculated from the formula, and then C is the capacitor connected in the circuit. And this is a tabular column for entering the readings. So here the frequency ranges from 100 Hz to 2800 Hz, and in each case we have to record the current in the circuit for both series as well as parallel combination. And this is the tabular column. Here we have to mention the resistance R, capacitor C and resonance frequency R in case of series, and the corresponding value of inductance will be calculated and entered here, and delta F is calculated from the graph, and then Theoretical value of quality factor is also be calculated using the formula 1 by r into square root of L by C, and also by graphical method it is calculated as Fr by delta F. And in case of parallel resonance circuit also we have to calculate the value of that is L in the circuit. So we have to calculate up to L here in case of parallel resonance circuit. And the readings were all entered as shown in the tabular column for both series as well as parallel. So in case of series we have to calculate inductance and also bandwidth and quality factor, whereas in case of parallel we have to calculate only inductance value. So this is what about the experiment, and the demo is linked with this video. So go through the demo video also. Thank you.